Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again. Asher Steve here, signing from another tutorial. Today we will be looking at this HP Digital 1550 printer, which has got a problem. Something like this. So we will see what we can do. So without much further ado, let's kick in. HP Advantage 1550 print scan copy. So it has got a ink problem, as you can see. Okay, so what we can do, we will just operate this and we will see. You can see some screws are here, so we have to remove this, also this one, and this. Then the whole thing will come out and we'll see what is that. So I think this has got a lot of problem, so let's do it. So we will remove the screw here and another one here. There are 4 screws here. Another one. But you make sure the power is off when you open this, so that nothing has been damaged. So it's removed. Now this also removed. Now we will open this slowly and gently. So now we shall remove this cover slowly and gently. This. And make sure that you remove this, so you can see everything side. We have separated this color. See, all that ink is leaking here, everywhere. You can see all this. So we'll have to first clean it nicely, all this, and you can see all the ink are leaking everywhere. So let's do the cleaning first of all this. As you can see, all the ink is leaking, so we have to clean it, all the ink properly, and make sure that it is dust free out here. So once if you have a brush, just clean it nicely this way. All that, whatever it is, just brush it off nicely. Because of the dust and the ink leakage, just take a long screwdriver, long one like this, and then you clean all the color that is leaking out. All this, you can see all this. Yeah, all the ink is leaking there. You have to clean it nicely. And this area too. And this area also. All ink is flooded. See, all the ink is flooding out, so you have to make sure that it is cleaned well. There shouldn't be any extra ink that is leaking out, flooding in the printer itself. So this make everything is in disorder manner. See, so many ink has been leaked out. So make sure that all these things are clean properly. It is still there. It's still so dirty. We put the cloth and let it soak it out. See here. Somehow it's clean. Now we'll take another clothes, just clean all this area. And make sure the roller, you see this roller should be clean properly, otherwise the paper pulling will be a problem. Make sure that this sliding is okay. If this sliding is smooth, then things will work out. And make sure that the connector here, this is not loose. You have to fix it this properly. And the another wire cable is here. Make sure it is properly fitted and movement is okay. So now we will just fix it up and we'll see. So we'll put this thing in the proper order manner. Yeah, it is fitted now. And then you see this is moving. So let's screw up and then we will connect the current now. Just turn on again. It's on and there should not be any blinking here. So it's no more blinking. It's no more blinking. So let's test wallpaper. Put here. We will try to put paper out there. I'll just do a test print to see the paper pulling it in. Yes, you can see that. Yeah. Yes. The paper is being pulled properly. It's okay. Now the printer is printing, but the only thing is now the ink is less in the cartridge, so we have to fill the ink. You can see that there's printing, but the ink is less. Yes. We're checking. So probably the mistake was like see, somehow it is print a little bit. The ink is less as of now. No more error. So difference, this mistake was like there was an ink flooding and there was a proper connection was not proper. So we checked proper and then we cleaned the dust plus the ink leakage always we clean. Now the printer is okay. So dear friends, I hope this video has been informative for you and I'd like to thank you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.